majire, umeinuliwa juu. You've been exalted, oh God. You've been exalted, our Father. You've been exalted, Adonai. You've been given a name that is above all other names.
Nerede? Should I take like an electric bus today? So this one is going to a place called Utawala. This is on a Monday, remember, man. These guys are playing like some ice hockey in Nairobi. It's crazy, man. Have you seen them? That's like the Kenyan ice hockey team. We have one. I know you didn't know. They train like around some park around here. But anyways, this is on a Monday, September 2024. Here is the downtown Nairobi. So the time's around maybe 6 in the evening. And now the people working in town, they're going like home now, you know. So in short, the rush hour. So how have you been, guys? How is life treating you on the other side, on the continent you're watching me from? Maybe you're joining me today, or maybe you like an old fan or an old member of the channel. My name is the African Nairobi, in case you're new here. And I do vlogs around Africa, but I started with Nairobi, you know. So I'm still in Nairobi. I've been vlogging around here. It's crazy evening here.
Jehovah Jireh, umeinuliwa juu. You've been exalted, oh God. You've been exalted, our Father. You've been exalted, Adonai. You've been given a name that is above all other names.